Hey there, if you're watching this video, then you may be in the market for a 3D printer. This is the review of the Creality K1 Max 3D printer. It has a build volume of 300 by 300, so you can print things in here pretty much the size of your head if you wanted to. I've been using this printer for a little over a year now, I guess. I have printed tons and tons of things in this printer. I printed PLA plastic and also TPU in this printer, and it's worked really good. One of the things I like about this is it's got a magnetic build plate, so you can take this out and it makes parts very easy to remove from the plate. You don't have to sit there and scrape them and try and fight it and possibly damage your build plate. One other thing too that is neat, it's got this LiDAR thing on it. So when it prints your first layer, it'll actually scan your first layer to make sure everything is printing correctly. And if it's not printing correctly, it will actually stop the print and tell you that it's not printing correct. It's also got a camera right here, which is neat. You can do time lapse with it, and you can also have real-time video signal to your phone, and also the software to make sure your print is printing okay, and so you can keep an eye on it that way, which is nice. The software that I use is Creality 6. I think it's on like 6.02 something or another, but software works just fine. But if you're in the market for a reliable, good printer, I would definitely check out the Creality K1 Max. It's priced right at about $8.99 right now as I make this video. That's what the price is. There's other more expensive models out there, but depending on your budget, if you're looking for something under $1,000, this is a fantastic printer, and I actually might pick up another one for myself at that price point. I've got its little brother right here, the K1, which is a little bit smaller, but I will review that one in a different video. I hope this helps, and I hope you check out some of the other review and repairs we have on this channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on another video.